Hey, welcome back to the channel, Van Life and Beyond. I'm Evelyn.
And I'm Charles.
And today we're traveling to Highlands, North Carolina.
Yep. And we're going to go over to the Highlands Hatter to get my hat cleaned and do some exploring.
Yeah, because we've never been here before. So
it should be great. Stay tuned.
Look how close this wall is to the car.
Okay, so we made it over to Highlands Hatter, and here's what my hat looks like. I want to show you before and after. Can you see all the funkiness on this? Yep, I've been wearing it around a while, a lot of stains on it. Let's see what happens. And here's the Highlands Hatter. So let's go take care of it, and I'll show you what it looks like.
This is a really cute town. This is obviously the tourist side of town. Look at all the cute little buildings and shops.
There's some very unique stuff in here, but none of it will fit inside our van.
That's fur.
Oh look, it's for our campfire we have. Well, I guess on the trailer and back of the van.
You need a trailer to haul it around.
Yeah.
Like a big old bonfire.
Yes.
This is pretty cool. They got in-town trails that they tell you about with a QR code to tell you more about them. Found this historical sign. Oh, moonshiners. Oh my gosh. Laid siege to Highlands near here in 1885. Wow. Okay. Pretty. Look at those flowers.
Inside my boots is soft. I can feel it on here. When I walk in other places, I don't recognize it because everything's so rough.
On my face now. Here's a shop with some unique little recreations. These guys are cute.
Are those 3 brown mice?
3 blind mice? It might be 3 blind mice.
Hey, this looks like my hat. It is my hat.
Better looking.
Better looking because now it's a lot cleaner. Now, of course, I did damage it, so I don't expect it to be perfect. I just have to be a little more careful about what I do with it. How's that look there? Pretty much got all the sweatband out of it. Still got a little wet spot on the top. But that looks so good. I love this lazy suit and I can spin it forever. Well, here's what it looks like now after we've had it shaped and cleaned. It looks a lot better. Of course, you can still see my discoloration from it being in the sun with patches on it. That's my fault. Right, so it looks pretty good to me. I'm ready to go. Hey everybody, I'm on Highway 64 just outside of Highlands on the way to Franklin, and the road that's right here, there you go, that road there you go, that road used to take and turn and go under this waterfall. Now it's crazy, I don't understand now, it looks like a single lane, but back in the day I guess it was 2 lanes because I recall that the highway went right under this. Now this is Bridal Veil Falls, and oh my gosh, look at the water everywhere. Isn't that amazing? Almost fell. But imagine where you could take and drive right underneath this and have your car on the side of this road here with the water spilling over the edge and you looking up into the waterfall. Isn't this amazing? I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So we can turn this around. That's so awesome. And Highway 64 used to take this path right here, right underneath the waterfall and back out. Well, we made it back from Highlands and it was a pretty good trip. Got to see the Bridal Veil Falls, which was really good. And we walked around town a little bit. Didn't take many pictures of that, but we did have a good time. The hat didn't quite come out exactly the way I was expecting. I figured it would be a little more shaped than what it was. But the guy, he didn't charge me, but I left him a tip. Said, hey, I'll take care of it when we get to the house. Darn bugs flying around my head here. And then, so it was a good day. It was a good day overall. Friends, it's a pleasure visiting with you, and I hope you'll come back and visit with us again. Have a good weekend and a good day. We care for each and every one.